Guys, over the years, we've pumped out millions of cart model. No, we haven't. We haven't pumped out millions. I've sold a lot. We've pumped a lot of cart model grills out of the showroom. And if you watch my videos for any period of time, you know that Napoleon cart models always reign supreme. They're the best value on a cart, period. Question is years later, when we're shooting this video, does it still hold true? Are Napoleon cart models still the best for your dollar? Or is something else taking it down? Let's start. All right, don't forget, if you're in the Denver, Colorado area, come to our showroom today. You can see all of our new products. If you're new to our channel, subscribe, do all the things, follow us on TikTok, helps us out a ton. Check out our awesome new golf channel, also helps us out if you subscribe to that. Little passion project we're doing here. We're selling golf equipment out of here. No big deal. But anyways, so we do a bunch of different categories. We have our quality grills, we have our premium grills, we have our luxury grills, and I usually break them down into top 5 categories, or top 5s within the category. This year we kind of have separated it, and we're doing our top 5 videos based on whether you're doing a built-in outdoor kitchen or a cart model, because the value changes a lot, and some of the models have awesome features on a cart that you lose doing a built-in grill. And for years, the Napoleon Prestige lineup in particular has been the best-selling gas grill, and I think the best value for the money. So really, I think in the Prestige lineup, to break it down, we have a whole mega Napoleon review. If you want to include, we'll include the link below if you want to check that out. But to make it simple, the Prestige series really has 4 models. We have the Prestige 500, or the Prestige, and the Prestige Pro. So really, I guess 2. Within those models, we have 2 different sizes. We have the Prestige 500 and the Prestige 665, which would be this size here. And then we have the Pro series. The Pro series comes in the 500, the 665, and the Monster 825. So what makes Napoleon such a good value on a cart? Well, if you've watched my videos versus the Weber, you can see that it absolutely obliterates the Weber. I think what makes it such a good value is, one, the Prestige series is made in Canada, so it's not made overseas. And I think more than anything else, instead of a 10-year warranty or 15-year warranty, has a lifetime warranty. And the hood system is superior. I think this double-walled hood system with the 2-piece system is just a really good setup. It has awesome heat retention, and then most importantly, it obviously cooks very evenly and very durable. Now, if you want to know the difference between the Prestige and the Prestige Pro, we're not going to get into that into this video. But really, let's take a look at the 665, because I think if you're in a luxury, I don't want to say luxury, if you're in a premium market for a cart model, the 665 is really, really hard to beat. I'm going to get to the main reason why in a second. But essentially, we have the multicolor LEDs, we have an integrated smoker tray with a burner underneath it, we have motion lighting on the floor, we have soft close storage drawers with the under cabinet lit up, and then we have an ice bucket and cutting board. We have a rotisserie motor with a spit rod, and then an actual infrared rotisserie burner. Interior lighting, that's a lot. And there's nothing in this size that is under $4,000 with this many features and this good of a warranty. There isn't. There's better grills than this, but not under $4 grand. So we're not saying this is the best grill on a cart. It's not. It's the best for the money, if that makes sense. Am I making sense, Chris? Yeah. So the secret sauce to Napoleon, and they're one of the only ones that do it, I think outside of Broil King maybe, is this guy right here. The infrared burner. Now, a lot of grill brands will put the infrared burner on the inside of the grill. The problem with that is 2 things. One, the infrared burner will take up real estate within the grill. Now, if you're doing a 42-inch grill or something like that, not a big deal. And then also, it can make the rest of the grill a little warm. What's so cool about it being on the outside is, 1, we don't take up any real estate on the inside. And 2, versus like a regular side burner on the Weber here, I mean, this is essentially pointless. I mean, no one's boiling stuff or doing stuff on their side burner. So essentially, unless you're serious about side burner options, this is kind of a worthless feature in my opinion. The infrared, we can do all of our side burner stuff with pots and pans if we want, but then it's got a 2-tier setting like this where we can sear. So if you're any kind of red meat person, this is a must-have. So it's absolutely awesome that we can sear steaks and things like that. I think this feature alone is the coolest thing about Napoleon grills, and it's what sets them apart from all of their competition and my favorite thing about them. So you notice we're not doing a versus. This model's been out. They haven't updated this model in probably 3 or 4 years. If I were to venture to say, I'm saying it's getting a little long in the tooth from being redesigned. 4 to 5 years later, it is still the best cart model for the money. Easily, not even close. $4,000 and under, if that's your budget, for something this size, this is, you know, a little closer to 3-ish, I want to say. I mean, you're going to spend probably a little more than that with taxes and covers and a few accessories, things like that. But this is an awesome, awesome value. And if this is your price point, go Napoleon. Just do it. There's nothing better for the money. So that's my take on Napoleon grills. We'll see you guys next time.